Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox and set up the brand new Paradox doorbell. So I ended up getting today the brand new Paradox doorbell. It also comes with a wireless chime and an angled bracket. Put this aside. Put this aside for now. Let's open this guy up. So it's the DB7. So here's the brand new doorbell. First glance, find it kind of big and bulky. And the wireless chime. That is the DB7. This is great if you don't actually have a doorbell. Got some buttons on the side. That's pretty much it. So in order to set this up, we have to download an app. And the app is called Blue Eye. If you guys have Insite Gold, the good thing is you could actually transfer your Insite Gold to the Blue Eye app. And you can use both if you like. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to download it and then we're going to switch to the app. So go to the search bar and now you're going to punch in Paradox space Blue Eye and it should pop up right away. There it is. Click on it. So it's right here, the very top option. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to hit thing. So now once you get to here, you can hit the plus for if it's a new installation. Add a site user token. You don't have that. Just go to the bottom. I don't have a site token. And here, if you have a Swan account, you could enter it there. Easiest way of doing it, go to panel S/N and here you're going to enter your panel SIN number, which is easily found inside the panel. Just open it up, there's a little sticker and you're going to write it there. So I'm going to enter mine. Okay, so just double check your SIN number and just hit add site. Okay, so now we just finished switching from Insite Gold to Blue Eye. The next step is to add the camera to your site. Guys, before we start, just want to let you guys know you have to be an installer or have an installer account with Paradox in order to add this camera. As of right now, this is your only option. Maybe down the road, Paradox will open it up for everybody, so you'll be able to purchase this and install it yourself. But in the meantime, right now, you have to be an installer in order to do it. So now we're going to go up to the 3 dashes on the top, then click Installer. Yours might ask you to log in. I'm already logged in, and here's the panel we just added. So I'm going to click on it. So now it's going to ask you for your installer PC code. By default, it is 4 zeros. If yours is not the 4 zeros, I'll put a video in the description below how to find your installer PC code. So I'm going to enter mine. Now we're going to hit connect. Now it's going to give you a list, and at the bottom of this list, it will say doorbell. So now we're going to click on doorbell. So now we're going to hit the plus symbol in the top right hand side. Here, you're going to type in your SSID. What that is the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Don't know why it doesn't give you a list of them, but this is the way it comes out. So you got to enter it manually. So I'm going to enter mine now. Once that's done, we're going to hit continue. And then it's going to generate this QR code. And now we have to go back to the camera. Okay, so I just connected this up. I'm just going to connect Power up the doorbell.
Please scan QR code.
Oh, it's loud. Okay, so we got that, so now let's scan it.
QR code scanned. Connecting to Wi-Fi, please wait.
So back on the phone, now it's showing it's added. So if I click on it, there it is. So you could adjust all the settings here. There's quite a bit actually. I'm gonna just lower this because it's really loud. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back out. I'm out of installers mode. One more time. Okay, so now I'm going to click on my site, the one we just added from Insite Gold. Enter my keypad code. Connect. So now if I go all the way to the bottom, right next to security, if I click on doorbell, it should load up. And there you guys have it. Now you could see really nice picture. What I see here is it's actually an alarm button. Let's press it and see what happens. Oh, that's pretty loud. So that's pretty cool. So it's got a alarm built into it. So if you do see something happening, just click on that. It'll scare people off. So if you hit the top little gear, it takes you back into the settings as well. And here you got so in here you could play with all your settings, and you also could change the ring. So when somebody presses the doorbell outside, there's a couple of different chimes that you could choose from. So there you guys have it. So here's the new doorbell from Paradox. It's great how it works all in one app. You get the text alert, the motion alerts, everything works right off the one app. So that's all I have for you guys for today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. Like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.